name is Korbinian. I'm one of the co-founders and CEO of Cesonia. In the past 5 years, we've developed a solution that is aiming to revolutionize RFQ collaboration, especially in direct procurement. So I think, especially for some of you that actually participated in such an RFQ, the next slides might trigger a couple of your own experiences. So it all starts by putting together a lot of different materials, because the RFQ process today is one of the central processes, actually the central process in procurement. It's highly manual, and therefore it's highly time and resource consuming. So what you actually do, you have a complex coordination of dozens of different Excel files, PDFs, Word documents, as well as managing different communication channels, such as email, phone calls, as well as meetings. And all that with the attempt to align your own requirements, as well as the supplier offers, but also technical aspects with your commercial targets. And this is not just an issue or a challenge for you as a customer buying something, it's also a challenge for your suppliers that are looking for fast and clear feedback when it comes to questions that they might have during the RFQ. And this is where we as Cesonia step in. So based on our deep process understanding in procurement, but also product development, we've come up with a solution that is targeting the requirements of all parties involved, internally as well as externally, as well as the different departments. So what we actually do, we take the today rigid documents and break them down into single objects, snippets, and digitalize that. So for example, for a technical specification, that means we break it down into single requirements. And with that, we enable a direct evaluation of these single snippets. We enable a complete and detailed comparison view with your own requirements and the supplier offers, but also object-based discussions in real time, based, for example, on different approaches that the supplier has regarding a requirement. And in the end, you can take all that information that you have aligned with your supplier and put that as an input into your follow-on processes. So what does that mean when it comes to numbers? So for example, with BMW, we were able to prove quite some significant effects. So for example, a 60% reduction of the effort that is need to put into evaluation of an offer, but also a 40% reduction of the RFQ runtime. So if you put that together for a German automotive OEM, that quickly sums up to 10 million plus savings per year. So in all that, through an agile approach that we're putting to the table instead of a waterfall approach that RFQ mostly looks like today. And so let's sum it up into two key aspects or two main benefits. First, efficient and secure exchange of information and not uploading, downloading hundreds of different files, as well as transparent coordination of your requirements, your changes, your proposals, your questions with your supplier in real time, based on a single point of truth. So if that sounds interesting to you, and if you're looking to bring your supplier collaboration to the next level, I'd be happy to talk to you at our booth. Thank you.